Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll walk you through how to add a new word to the dictionary in Microsoft Word. So if you take a look, you'll notice some words aren't recognized by Microsoft Word, which is why you see those red or blue squiggly lines under them. To fix this, start by going to the word with the squiggly line underneath it. Then when you right-click on that word, Microsoft Word will offer you a list of suggestions that it thinks might be correct. But if you're sure the spelling is right and you want to keep the word as is, you can go ahead and select Add to Dictionary. Once you do that, the squiggly line disappears. So now Microsoft Word accepts the word as correct. And just like that, the word is now saved in the dictionary, which means Word won't flag it as a mistake again. So that's how you add a word to the dictionary in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.